They don't want to concede singles, but now he's pushed him back. Shabir Ahluwalia, he goes back to long off. Now they only have 4. They need to get one more fielder, apply more pressure on Swagata. That's what they need to do at this stage. In there, hits it well. It should be covered. Yes, it is. Only a single.
Superb, that's the way, Tushar.
So great commitment shown there by all the fielders from Mumbai Heroes. One catch has done him good, has done all of them really inspired now. Sachin Joshi took that brilliant catch, and that has really helped all the fielders to be on the toes and do well.
Who tries to poke at it towards third man and misses it completely. Roy, who has been steady in his approach, has got to 12 of 15 deliveries. He's hit one boundary in that. He has to be very careful playing that shot. They cannot afford another wicket. Oh, goes over the top. And clears the fence handsomely. It's a tremendous shot.
Side under pressure. It is Joy who comes out with this great effort. On the rise, Varindo rounds bowling. Gets on top of that delivery. Good swing off the bat and it sails through. Outside the fence, or a 6.
Didn't have any half measures about it, isn't it, Sava? Just went through the shot. This time he plays it sensibly towards mid-on and picks up a single.
That's the way, great job, great work.
Sensible batting out there.
That's the way, that's the way, that's the way. Chalo, come on guys, come on, come on.
And then follows it up with the single.
That's what he needs to do, Amol, isn't it? He remains one of the main players. He needs to play a big role here for his side. They've lost 2 wickets of Sandy and Jishu. In there. Good timing. They'll go for the second quite easily. It's turning out to be a good over for the Tigers.
Swagato is chipping it towards covers. I hope I have pronounced it correctly for you, Sava. Swagato.
Not only for me, but for all the Bengali fans of Swagato.
Start it.
Well done, Amol.
Well, I still feel that surname, that spelling has to be correct. Saugata. That's Swagata.
So after 7 is 42 for 2.